and to find out the file system information, you can always type df. If you want to see any if you want to see the error report, or if you want to find out any hardware software errors, you just type arrpt. It will give you a list of errors, information, warning, and you can find out if any hardware error or any physical error or something else there or not. And over there you can even see when the system was shut down, and here you can see the identifier. It's nothing but the error ID, and the timestamp. It will show you this 07 is the month, that is July, and this 10 means 2010, and this is the 07 is July, and this is I think it's okay. It shows the minute, hours, date, time, and all. And if you want to know, if you want to see a list of user login and logout information, you can type last command. It will show what user logged in at what time and when they logged out, and from where they logged in, from which IP they logged in, and whether they logged in a console or from a sudo terminal. And to find out the currently logged in users, you can type who. Right now I am the only guy working on this system, and so it shows only root. If you want to switch user to a if you want to switch user to a user, you can use su command. It says ls user all will give you a list of all the users. I think there's no users creator. It got only the default users. Maybe I can create a user, and I can se to Raja. You can see the prompt has changed from the hash to $. So whenever you log in as a root user, you get a hash prompt, and whenever you log in as a regular user, you get a $. Prompt. And this is only for the conch shell, not for C shell. For C shell you get a I think it's a percentage prompt. And you can use the command called id to find out in which id you logged in. It will show the username, uid, group name, jid, and you can even type who am I to show you a username, and pwd will give you the present working directory, and ls will give you the list of files and directories in the current directory. And to come out of the shell, just type exit, and again I got into root, and date will give you the current date and time. Cal will give you the calendar. If you want to know the calendar for 2009, just say cal space 2009. We are done. Oh, it's a spelling mistake. Okay, so let's see few more commands. Hostname will give you the hostname of your machine, and the if config is the one we use in most of the Unix systems. Will give you the IP address, subnet master, network interface name, and a lot of other things based on networking stuff. And *-r will give you the routing table, the current routing table. I think this is enough for today, and we will see it in the next chapter.